Hi everyone, welcome. Before we begin, I want to tell you something. In the next two videos or in the next two lectures, I explain what is MySQL, what is SQL, what is the difference between MySQL and SQL, what is PostgreSQL or another SQL language. And I can tell that I used presentations and something like this. And maybe next two lecture can be boring for you, but do not worry, our course will not be completely using presentations or like this. We will write codes, but before we're writing codes, we need to get closer to MySQL, SQL, database management systems or relational databases or etc. etc. I want to tell you guys, after these two lectures, we will completely start to write SQL codes. And I'm going to show you downloading MySQL. I'm going to show you what we'll do while this course and how to write real-world projects using MySQL. And let me show you what I will explain after two or next two lectures. I will explain to you guys types of databases. Actually, we will see just NoSQL and relational databases. We will see feature of SQL. We will see what is SQL, DBMS, I mean Database Management System, or RDBMS, and it stands for Relational Database Management System. Okay guys, I'm gonna talk to you about all of this, and maybe next two lecture will be boring for you. But you have to remember it, or you have to learn it, because it is prerequisites for starting to MySQL. So guys, let's see you in the next lecture and let's continue our course.